So guys, Deskfirst is a very useful software for files collaboration. Can give you a lot of features in real time, like you can share the files with your clients, colleagues, create desktops and share the access of those desktops with the team or your clients and easily collaborate on them. You can have comments on them, you can easily set the permissions of the folders, files or anything. You can customize the desktop, like their backgrounds and colors and all. Okay, you can have custom branding and all of these features in this software. It is free to use, gives you 2 GB of files storage. You can easily use it for your freelancing purpose, or even in your agency you can use this software. It is very handy, has plenty of features, very new in the business, but gives tons of kind of, we can say, productivity features. It shortens the amount of time that you have to spend on sharing some important files, and most importantly, these files are sometimes lost. These can be the files that are sent to you by your client who is requiring some videos, and he is your regular client, subscription based client or maybe, and in that case you should have those files in local or maybe in the cloud storage. And if you have that file in your cloud storage, it also becomes essential that your team that is working on those projects is having that file. So if you have a large team, large clients or regular clients, you should look for a software that is promising, reliable and cloud based. More importantly, in 2024 we look for the software that are cloud based, give you maximum reliability in terms of that. So yeah, so let's quickly get in and see how Deskfirst can bring some impact in your business. Using Deskfirst is quite easy. You have to just create an account. Simply navigate to the sign up page and click on the sign up with Google, or you can also manually input all your details. So guys, using Deskfirst is very easy. All you have to just log in and you get the free plan, and there are plenty of things you can do with the free plans as well. But if your need is to have more desktops and have more control or the system or the permissions or maybe the features, then you can go with the paid plan. But you can start with the free plan definitely, and it can help you in multiple ways. So from here you can manage your desktop. Here on the list you can see all your recent desktop. You can switch between them. You can open a specific desktop very easily. You can create new desktop from this button over here, and you can manage all your desktop permissions from here, and you can manage you can edit, relocate the storage. It is having 2 GB. You can relocate it from here. Okay, but for that purpose you will have to upgrade to the paid plan. You can manage all the shared desktops and the desktops that you own. Okay, you can rename the desktop from here. Okay, you can set any desktop to the default desktop as well from the manage desktops option from the top of this drop down. Okay, so we are now currently in the location desktop. Okay, from this button over here you can customize this desktop. For example, its background, the image. Okay, for example, I click this and applied it. Boom, so it looks pretty amazing. You can even choose any color for it. You can set any branding, but for that you will need to have a paid plan, a pro plan maybe. Then you can create a new folder and into it create new shortcuts, create sticky notes like this. You can arrange icons and rename the desktop and reset the desktop and see all the information about the desktop in terms of its capacity and a number of files and folders and sharing limit, and all that can be viewed from this information over here. Now let us create a new folder called branding. Okay, looks good. You can easily have all the options like this. You can when start any folder, and then you can access them from this start button over here, start items, right, which will open up a pop-up like this. Now when you click any folder, you can see all the files inside it in this nice view in a pop-up. Now you can upload any file to this folder using this button over here. You can create more folders inside this parent folder. You can cut any item or the folder itself. You can refresh the items into it. You can see comments, start items, and you can go backwards right. You can fold or unfold sticky notes very easily. You can change their color, you can add information into them, so anyone who will have the access to this desktop will be able to see all data and sticky notes that you have shared into this desktop. How to share the desktop with your clients and customers? Quickly click on the share button. You have two options: share links or invite the people to the desktop. Sharing link is all very easy, and invitation will ask you to enter the email. So if you don't have the email or don't want to invite people, then you can easily share the link, which is very easy to do. Here are the public links I just created, so you can manage all the public links as well. So for timing I can delete this. Okay, so I don't have any public link at the moment for this desktop in my account. Now I can specify, for example, there is a person in my team whose name is Prashant. Okay, so I want to share the access of this desktop to Prashant. Then I can enter any name, but this will allow me to recognize like for what purpose I created this link. And I can set the link expiration time, whether 7 days. You can choose between 7 to 90 days, and yeah, I want it for 90 days. I can set a password. You can also choose not to set the password, but having a password is more useful, so that the link, if in case is circulated, then your data is not breached, kind of. But yeah, you can do that. So I will choose 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, I can also see it from here. Is it fine or not? Now generate a viewable link. It is generated instantly. Okay, I can also see the date on which the link will expire. It is 90 days from now, so after 3 months it will expire. I can create a new tab to check if it is working or not. So here now I can enter in the password that I created, 128. I can see if it is right. Okay, now click on go to the web desktop, and I don't know what happened. I should, I guess, reload this page and try now. Okay, so captcha was not appearing, that's why it happened. So wait until the captcha is appeared, and then you can enter in the password and open the web desktop version. So from here you can access all the folders and files, but you cannot definitely access some of the features because you are having only the viewable permissions. So based on the permissions you can see what is happening into it. Now coming back to this, you can manage all the links. You can create new links for anyone, and you can create new desktops in this way, and all the files that you upload in the folder will be accessible by your team, by your clients, and you can easily use them. So it is a very fun to do and very easy to manage the files when working in a organization that has multiple team members, or you are having multiple clients, or any client that requires file collaboration. So file collaboration with Deskfirst becomes very easy, to be honest. And if you are in need of more features, you can definitely go to the pricing of Deskfirst. I have left a link in description. That is an affiliate link, so if you buy from my link I will get some commission, but it will support me to make such videos for you in long term. And yeah, if you can see, the pricing is very affordable. It's like $15 only, but it is best only for those who are into video creation or client businesses or agency businesses. So you can cover the cost as well and get maximum ROI. So it will be recouped considering that. So you get like 500 GB of storage, which is enough. You can also manually delete the files which are no longer in use for you and also for your client or team. And then you can have custom branding in this plan. You can be invited with full permission as well. There's no inactivity limits, and you can have like up to 100 web desktop versions. And from here you can see that there's a desktop invitations to 100, maximum shareable links per desktop is 10, and photo gallery. All of these features are also available in the free starter plan, right? But this feature like can be invited as editor is not available in the starter. Can be invited as a manager was not available. Team management was not possible in the free version. Cross organization permissions were only viewable, but now you can set any permission. There's a granular permission in this software, so you can set any specific permission based on what type of management you require from the desktop. So it is very easy to use and very productive software, and can bring in more transparency, effectiveness in your business. So if you really see if it can make an impact in your business, then you can check out the link in description. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, and if you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I make such videos quite often. And yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching this one.